Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Supabase Auth with your iOS Swift app, beginner guide step by step clearly. To connect Supabase Auth with your iOS Swift app, start by creating your Supabase project. Visit the Supabase website and sign in or create a new account. Once logged in, click on the New Project button. Fill in the project details, including the name and database password. After the project is created, navigate to the Settings tab. In the API section, copy your API URL and public API key. Next, open your Xcode and create a new iOS project. Select the app template and give your project a name. Choose Swift as your programming language and click Next to create the project. Now, go to your project directory in the terminal. Install the Supabase client library using CocoaPods. To do this, create a pod file if you haven't already. Add the line pod Supabase 0.5.0 to your pod file. Save the pod file, then run pod install in your terminal. Once the installation is complete, close Xcode and open the .squirkspace file. In your app.delegate.swift, import the Supabase library at the top. Initialize Supabase by adding the API URL and key in the application _did finish launching with options method. This can be done by calling supabase.initialize URL, your API URL, key, your API key. Next, create a new Swift file for your authentication logic. Define a class named authService and import Supabase. In this class, add a method for signing up users using Supabase signup function. You'll need to handle the email and password inputs from the user. Also, create a method for signing in users with the sign-in function. Ensure to handle errors properly and provide feedback to the user. Now, create a simple user interface in your main storyboard. Add text fields for email and password, and buttons for sign up and sign in. Link these UI elements to your view controller in code. Call the corresponding methods from authService when the buttons are tapped. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.